What is up, you guys? It's PinkyQ. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hello, greetings, welcome to the parties. So today we are having another very exciting DIY party. Oh my god, I don't know how you guys feel, but last week when Lisa posted this picture on Instagram, I was literally like this. Like my eyes automatically turns into those little hearts because she just looks so damn hot and cool and, well, like a pretty savage. And then I watched her Kingdom performance like a million times. I'm not joking here. I just repeated watching it, and every time I was like, do 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 do, pretty savage. I don't know what the magic here, but every time I just couldn't help dancing with it. Like every time. This performance and this savage look is such a mood. So I have to feature this look on my channel. Also, you guys know I'm such a big fan of BLACKPINK, and you give me such big support on my previous DIY videos on Jennie and Rose's fabulous outfits. So today I'm gonna try my best to DIY this iconic look, and as always with the most affordable materials I could find, because it's fun to be creative and you don't need to break the bank to look fab. So I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride, and we're gonna go pick out some stuff, and I will come home and make the get up to my best abilities. So here we go. Without further ado, DIY Lisa Kingdom performance outfit for cheap. As always, before we get going, here's my outfit of the day. First of all, I've been really into this Baker Boy hat lately. As you can see, I've been wearing it often in my other lookbook and DIY videos. It's just so fashionable and practical at the same time. So look at this, like now I'm with this hat and then without. It just adds so much fashion flavor to the whole outfit. And also, when you go out, sometimes the wind and sunshine can be a little bit annoying, but this hat can just solve all the problems. It's so handy. I just love it so much. This is totally not sponsored, by the way. And I got it from Shein for like 12 bucks. So it's another of my proud fashion collection. And this dress is actually inspired by one of Rose's summer look. So I found this green color is such a color trend this year, and this floral patterns is so summery. What I love about this dress is that it's so long. So you know, in the summer we love wearing mini dresses or mini skirts. They are very cute. But sometimes when you need to tie your shoes or pick up something in the floor, we kind of need to be very careful to not show off our goodies. So this dress is worry-free because it's just so long. So this look has been my favorite grocery shopping look lately, when I really want to chill but also keep a little bit fashionable. And if you feel cold, you just simply add a jacket or a blazer, like this. Of course, I'm pairing this up with my favorite pink chunky sneakers, so it's very walkable. Okay, now let's go shopping for this iconic look. I'm so curious about what Dollarama offers this time. It always surprises me, but this time the outfit is kind of unique. So let's see what we can find. And it's such a beautiful weather outside. I can't wait to go out.
I know I'm hard to love. I can never get enough. But then sometimes you're too much. I'm down then I'm up. I know I'm hard to love. I know I'm hard to please. I'm never happy it seems. But you put my heart at ease when it's crashing like the seas.
Alrighty, here we go. Let's see what we can find. Okay, so I don't really know exactly what we are looking for. I'm just gonna see whatever catches my eyes that I think I could make it fabulous. So, ooh, these are so cute. I guess we are looking for some net type of texture. Oh my god, can this work? Do they sell a bunch of bags like this? This looks like working. Maybe? Ooh, I wish this is in black color. Maybe I could dye or paint them to black, or is it too much work? Ooh, this could work. Oh my goodness, these are so cute! Look at this tiny elephant. And this is so gorgeous. Alrighty, we got the goods. Now going back home for the crafty party. Alrighty, Santa's bag. Are you ready to see what we got? Here we go. So here's what inside the bag. So these are the carry-all bags. As you can see, it got the mesh or fishnet kind of texture, which is pretty similar to Lisa's mesh dress. It's $1.25 each, and the size is 20-inch times 30-inch. I got a bunch of these, and this is a matching black thread I got from my sewing box. As always, we also got a bunch of glue, but apparently my favorite super glue is sold out, so I got this slightly more expensive one. It's called Crazy Glue, and it's $2.50 each. So keep in mind that our project budget can go even lower if we got our good old trusty super glue. As for the hat, the color is kind of like silver. So very funny and kind of magical is that today I got my grocery delivery, and one of the packing bags is this. And my roommate saw this and said, "Oh, you can make the hat out of this." I'm like, oh my god, that's right. So shout out to my roommate for this brilliant idea and my grocery store for this perfect bag to pack my order. Actually, this bag was used for packing the beef, so I kinda need to clean it up, otherwise I'm gonna leave some weird smell on my hair. And since Lisa's outfit is very glittery and shiny, so I got this in my house. Actually, I bought this long time ago from Michael's. I'm not sure if this works. If this color doesn't work, maybe I need to pick up some others from Michael's. We can only do curbside pickup, but let's see. Alrighty, here's all we got today. And here we go, let's get started. So this is how the carry-all bag looks like. The first thing I'm gonna do is to make a tank top out of it. Sorry, my voice sounds weird since I caught a cold and got a stuffy nose. The weather recently dropped from 30°C to like 6°C in Toronto here. We start wearing sweaters again. Can you believe it? Closing to June. Anyways, I'm still working hard on this video even when I'm sick, so you'd better subscribe. Okay, end of self-promoting session. We are gonna cut 3 temporary collar and sleeves holes and try it on to see how does it look like first. Obviously it's too short just like this, so I decided to cut another half of the bag and add onto it. While doing this, I'm watching Friends in the spirit of Friends reunion. I did watch this show like a million times already. Since this material is very special, our crazy glue can't really help here and we have to just sew it up. This is how the lens looks like, and you can see there's a weird sewing line in the middle, but what else can we do? Let me know in the comments below if you have better ideas. After trying this on, I decided to leave the top just like this, which you can see why at the end of the video, so keep watching. Moving on to the hat. Long story short, I spent another 3,000 years making this hat, but end up not using it, and you will also see why at the end of the video. By the way, my fingers got really stuck with the glue. To be honest, I did panic a little and googled how to deal with it, and the first solution works, so be careful when crafting, kids, especially the eyes. Next time I'm gonna wear sunglasses. It's 3 AM outside and again I made such a mess in my house. Alright, here's the finished product, which looks quite simple this time. And here are the matching tube top and high-waist panties just like Lisa's. I'm also gonna wear this baker boy hat to make the whole outfit look more chic. And also this similar necklace I got from Shein, like $5. So, are you ready to see this final look on me? Ta-da!
Two-Face killer, go gorilla for the bag. That boy be a pussy, kill the vibe, he a drag. Autobiography gon' look like a brag. Let's get to the money, I'm on PT, dirty ass. Made these fucker raise a white flag. Yeah, I'm gonna get some riches.
So you guys know that for my previous DIY projects, I always try my best to make my DIY version as close to the original version as possible. But this time, after I finished this tank top or tank dress type of thing, I kind of really love it. And I was supposed to add the sleeves and make it tighter and also put a bunch of glitter on it, just like Lisa's outfit. But I kind of really love this, you know, like without sleeve and also loose fitting type of style, and also without glitter because I want to keep it a simple like golden and black color theme. So every time when I recreate those different iconic looks, I'm trying to learn from each project, so eventually I can start my own fashion designing. And this time I'm like, maybe this can be a good start. So instead of like totally trying to copy or recreate the exactly same look, maybe I can add a little bit difference or a little bit my own sauce and changes to the project to make it more like unique, more of my style. Like this one, I kind of really like high shoulder kind of style, and this loose fitting make it like a very cool, you know, like a little bit different cool style as Lisa's. And also I want to embrace the unique features of different material. So Lisa's dress is very fitting on her, so I guess the material is very stretchy and soft. But this one, you know, this carry-all bags is kind of very hard and it's not stretchy. It's kind of hard to make it as fitting as Lisa's style. If I like pull like this, you can see at the back or front, it's kind of bulky. It's because it's not stretchy, so it's like kind of hard to make it fitting. But on the other hand, because of this little bit hard type of texture, it makes a very kind of futuristic or very modern fashion style, which I absolutely love it. After I finished this, I was like, holy, I can wear this to any of the fashion weeks. Of course, if they invite me, I spend many hours to make a kind of similar hat as Lisa's using the packing bag of my grocery delivery, but eventually I didn't use it. Like, let me show you why. I don't know, it looks like so weird. Oh my god. So I feel like if I add this hat on this whole outfit, it just looks so funny. It looks so weird. So even though I spent so much time making this hat, but finally I didn't use it. But I still gonna keep it for a while because it's still my art creation, even though it's very weird and funny. I'll still put it in my wardrobe. And this one was my initial try to make the tank top. So what I did is use one long sleeve top I already owned and then put it on the top of the material and then use the scissors to cut the shape, and then like I spent really like at least 4 hours to sew the edges together. And after I finish it, I try it on. Holy, it was so tight, I couldn't even breathe wearing it, and it totally looked different as Lisa's outfit. So I'm like, oh my god, this cannot work. So I realized that I forgot the fact that the top I was using, which I owned, is very stretchy, but this one is not very stretchy. So I learned from this experience that I need to consider this, how stretchy the material is on my DIY project. So even though I kind of wasted...
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Yeah. So there you have it, you guys. That was me trying to DIY Lisa's Kingdom performance outfit. As I said, this time I add a little bit my own thoughts and changes to this DIY, so it doesn't look exactly the same as the original version, but I kind of really like this creating process, which is adding something new and different ideas of my own to this DIY project. So I hope you guys like it. As always, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like, comment on this video. Don't forget to stay extra, stay fabulous, and stay iconic. So I will see you next time. I love you, my sweet angels. XO.